Bakit po palagi na lang 11:59 p.m. ang bentahan ng ticket sa Spit?
Ganito kasi.
Yon.
After every show, we always want to give back. We want to bring a friend on stage. Oh. Bakit? Kilala niyo ba yung friend namin? Oh, perfect. Because our friend is perfectly in theme with tonight's performance. Tama po ba? Gusto naming ipakita ang pinakabagong costume niya. Sabihin niyo na hindi yan maganda.
We
Are happy
to
Be
here
with
you.
Ako,
si
Binibining
Criselda
Asher
L.
Mas.
Ayan, nandito po siya ngayon para sagutin ang inyong tanong. Now, earlier we also asked you to write down some questions. So let's start with one of the written questions submitted earlier today. Today is my birthday. Any guidance for me for the next 365 days? Can we ask Kat to stand up? Where is Kat? Ay, there! Right in front. Madam, birthday niya. Happy birthday, by the way.
Kat,
Ang
Iyong
kapalaran,
ay
ganito. Una,
ikaw
ay
magkakaroon
ng
maraming
kaibigan
kung
gagawin.
mo,
ito
Una,
magpautang
ka
okay?
Pangalawa,
ikaw
Ay
huwag
maging
nagger
sa
mga
nangutang.
panghuli,
ikaw
Ay
tumaya
sa
loto.
para
ikaw
Ay
makatulong
sa
akin.
All right, Kat. I hope that works for you.
How do you give love on Christmas Day?
nagluluto
ako
Ng
Christmas,
surprises
pagkatapos
ipinaparaffle
ko
sa
mga
children
na
kapitbahay,
ko
pagkatapos
hinahayaan
ko
silang
maglaro.
amongst
themselves.
That's beautiful. Personally, I am very curious. Sabi mo magluluto ka ng Christmas surprises. Could you please tell us one of your recipes for this?
Ginataang
embutido
Wow! Thank you for that. Thank you.
Surprise!
Madam, meron po tayong katanungan kay Ika.
Bakit po ang hirap ang math as a grade 8 student?
mababa
ang
Iyong
tolerance
dahil
ikaw
ay
kailangang
magkaroon
ng
konti
guidance
magpaturo
ka
sa
tita
ng
kapatid
ni
Diego.
Ma'am, I'm also very curious, no? What is the hardest concept for you personally in grade 8 math?
polynomials
With
all
quadratic
numerals.
Thank you. Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you.
Aaron, we have a question from Renee.
Hello, Renee.
How can I be regularized in my job?
don't
Be
hard
on
yourself.
regularization
is
Very
important.
however
it
Your
entrepreneurial
skills
thus
elevate
your
company
then
you
will
build
your
own
company.
There you go. Let's go to one of the written questions again. Bakit po palagi na lang 11:59 p.m. ang bentahan ng ticket sa Spit? Pwede po ba kaya 11:59 a.m. naman para sa mga morning shift? Who is Ronald? Please stand up. There's Ronald. Ayan, andyan siya.
Ganito,
kasi
yon
nagtatrabaho
kami
sa umaga.
Kaya,
Panggabi,
kami
racket.
It is according to Madam's schedule, Ronald. All right.
We have a question from Grace.
Grace.
Okay lang po ba mag-resign after makatanggap ng Christmas bonus?
ginawa.
Ko, yan.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Madam Oracle, Ariel, Chester, and Ding Dong. Ladies and gentlemen, you have been an amazing audience. Thank you so much for being here. Please give yourselves a round of applause.
Spit Manila.